It was just like the good times of last season, with the crowds queuing to get into Somerton Park to meet the Newport County players and to get in the right frame of mind for the new season. The souvenir shop did brisk business, with Richard Shepherd's book on last season's promotion and Welsh Cup victory going particularly well. The centrepiece of the day was a demonstration by the Third Division's newest members of their skills and new strip. The squad gave their fans full value and afterwards readily answered questions about themselves and how they think the team are going to do in the coming campaign. The one uncertainty is Gary Plumley, the county's principal goalkeeper. He has yet to sign a contract. For the rest, manager Len Ashurst is confident that his side will not disgrace themselves in the higher division, and with a good draw in the European Cup Winners' Cup competition, County may well make progress into Europe. Certainly the players look sharp and ready for action, with the first match against Hereford in the first round of the Football League Cup this coming Saturday.